Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today is a groundbreaking day. Literally, seriously. 22,250 Tesla Model 3s were sold just in the month of September. That is a spectacular number. It's a turning point, and it is going to be something that is going to lead Tesla to fulfill its unbelievable mission. And all the naysayers and all the obnoxious haters, they can just sit on the sideline and scream, or they can join in, which would be a better idea. But let's not talk about them. Let's talk about the good news. And here are some Tesla number and some other electric car sales number, initial numbers. So in the month of September, so far in the month of September, there were over 40,000 electric and plug-in hybrid sold. Over 40,000. But these are the initial numbers. More numbers will come up. From the beginning of the year, 230,367 electric and plug-in hybrid cars were sold, and that is already more than what was sold all of last year, and it's still an initial number. So we continue. So let me go through some Tesla numbers, and let me go through some other numbers, and then I am going to share with you an amazing article I read. I'm going to include it at the description. It's short and it's awesome. And there's also the video interview with Ron Barron, one of the main investors of Tesla. But let's go through the numbers quickly. So in the third quarter, Tesla sold 53,000. Tesla Model 3 sold 53,239 cars in the last 3 months, and they sold 80,142 in the third quarter of all Teslas. That includes S and X. So 3 S and X over 80,000. Just for comparison, Tesla sold 28,578 cars, Model 3s in the second quarter. So it is almost double. Then, like I said before, the month of September alone, Tesla delivered 22,250. In month of September, 3,750 Model S's and 3,975 Model X's were sold. So that is a spectacular number. So from the beginning of the year, Tesla S, X, and 3 sold 114,000 plus Teslas from the beginning of the year. That's almost, yes, it's almost half of all the electric and plug-in hybrid cars in America, which shows you this amazing, we are living in an amazing period of time. I'm going to tell you what I think about the other car manufacturers in a minute, because it's really incredible. All right, let's give you some of the main numbers. Chevy Volt sold 2,129. The Bolt EV sold 1,549. Honda Clarity, interesting, 2,028. The Leaf, as in Nissan Leaf, 1,563, more than last month. And the Prius Prime always sells a lot, 2,213. So these are staggering numbers. So here is my analysis. Tesla is not threatening other EV manufacturers, but other manufacturers who produces EV. They are now threatening all the car industry. It's a major paradigm shift. Watch this video I included in the bottom. Read that article. If you can find it, watch the whole thing. I saw the whole thing this morning by Ron Barron. He's a billionaire investor, and he has 1.6 million Tesla shares that he bought between 2014 to 2016, an average of $214. He predicts that Tesla will become $1 trillion company. Trillion, at 10 times what it is now. And he is and he predicts that half of it will be battery and half of it will be cars. And with the car sharing and autonomous driving, it's unbelievable stuff, and it's happening faster than anybody predicted, faster. In other words, the idea of electric cars, specifically Tesla, taking over this industry is imminent. And if the other manufacturers are not going to join in right away, not just shoving a battery to a gasoline car and making a plug-in hybrid, pure electric cars that are autonomous, that can be in ride shares, that and changing the entire line to electric, they will be obliterated. They will be extinct, and they will be extinct before they know it. That is the most interesting part. And Tesla had such difficulties right now delivering. They need volunteers to deliver. I can tell you from my experience, Tesla called me, said like, "Beg you, can we bring it to your house? We cannot accommodate the people who coming into the service center, to the delivery center." They asked me, said, "We'll bring it to you any day. Just let us know." And I went, and you know the story. So they need like volunteers to come in, and then the naysayers, the haters, oh, they're not even ready to deliver. They're always gonna find something negative to say, but that's okay. That's okay. Let them bark, and the convoy of this revolution is going to continue. So they can bark until tomorrow. That's fine with us. We're going to continue. And then eventually they'll join in because they will have no choice, which is a good thing. I don't want to make anybody's feelings hurt. Not at all. So these are staggering developments, staggering numbers. Kudos to them. And I am going to give you an update in a couple days of the Tesla, of all the EV sales. So stay tuned. It's going to come every day. I'm going to try to give at least one update. So it's going to be great. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you agree, disagree. Give me your predictions. I'm eager to know what your feelings and what your thoughts. Okay, guys. Meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my awesome channel and help me. And that's all I do. Change the world one electric car at a time. And support my channel by becoming a patron or shop at the Electric Israeli store. And I'll see you soon, guys.